Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not seen you in, I feel like, forever, and it probably is forever. I just haven't really had a chance to do any type of sit-down video and film anything just because life has gotten really busy. I'm hoping to have a little bit more freedom this next few months, but I'm not really sure if that's going to be the case. But I do miss just coming in here and filming, random unboxings, reviews, and all that stuff. So hopefully this year, 2025, is going to be a little bit different. But we'll see. But Happy New Year. I can't believe it's already 2025. Time flies like really fast. But anyway, for today's video, it's going to be a really quick unboxing. I did get 2 new items and I'm really excited for this particular one because it is something that I feel like everyone has done an unboxing of this within this past couple of weeks, and I know that it's not going to be anything new, but I did just get in my pieces today. I did just get 2 from this collection, and it's a really highly sought after collection from Louis Vuitton, so if that's going to give you a little bit of a hint. Anyway, enough jabbering, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So they did come in 2 different packaging or boxes, and so we're gonna go ahead and open this one first. I'm really excited to see what it is. I know what it is, but I've actually never seen it in person, so this is gonna be the first time that I'll be seeing it with you guys, so hopefully it's good, fingers crossed. And I don't know which one this one is, but we'll open it together. Anyway, so this is something that I was able to pre-order from my SA. Because online, when this launched, it was just really impossible to get, and so by the time we were able to pre-order, I was able to call my SA and tell him that, hey, I'm really interested in these 2 pieces. Is there any way that we can get it? Anyway, so right here, and so when you open it, I'm excited to see what's inside, to see if we were able to get all the packaging. So it is from Louis Vuitton, and this one right here is the receipt, and as you can see, it's from the Murakami collection. So Louis Vuitton times Murakami, or Louis Vuitton and Murakami, Takashi Murakami, and so that's what the box looks like. And this one came with the ribbon and the panda. Oh, that is so darn cute. So this collection is actually a re-release, a 20th anniversary collection, because I believe 20 years ago they released the original one, and this was back in 2005, and I was of course I was still young then. I wasn't able to get any of those original pieces, but now that's why I'm really excited, because I was like, I remember those days. So it's really nostalgic. So there's that, and this is what the ribbon looks like. I wonder if we should just open the other one, the other box, to kind of like see, but maybe not. So we'll just do this one. So this is what it looks like. That's the box, like so. And then, are you ready? Because I'm ready. I'm excited. That's so cute, the panda. Like that. And that's out. So this one right here is it's really tight. Came in the regular box. I don't think there's like a special box, at least the ones that are not gifted to influencers. It just came in the regular orange box with the the regular box, but it's fine. At least I got the ribbon and the panda. Right here, I think I know what this one is. I can feel it. Are you ready? I'm excited. Oh my gosh, it's if you know me, this I just had to get. Key pouch is my favorite small leather good from Louis Vuitton. And to me, when I saw this one, it was a no-brainer. If they had a white one, I would have gone for that one, but they didn't have any. So it just only came in black. So this one is a little bit stiffer compared to the regular key pouch. It is still canvas. So when you open, so it looks like this. And it has a silver, I want to say that's silver hardware. So when you open it, it comes with, you know, obviously the D-ring, and then this little tag right here. What does it say? This is just basically the code for anyone that's interested. Online they have been sold out, so really I don't know if that's really gonna be of any help. And then on the inside, I don't think it's gonna show, but it basically says 20-year anniversary celebration Louis Vuitton and Murakami, made in France. And it has like the flower, the panda, the cherry, and the little onion guy. And it's just black. I'm so excited to have this one. I cannot wait to use this. The collar is really, really stunning. Again, I don't have any of the original one. I don't have any of the vintage pieces, so I cannot compare as to like how this is compared to the vintage ones, but I love it. And I am so glad to have this in my collection. All right, so actually let me check before we move on to the other one. I don't know if I actually got any stickers or anything. So this is the receipt, and yeah, it's just a receipt. Actually, there's not even a receipt here. I don't know where my receipt is, but I guess it doesn't come with it. I was hoping for a sticker, but they didn't have that, but it's okay. So anyway, this is the second one, and I'm gonna open it. Oh, this one looks like this again. It says Louis Vuitton, and another envelope that's probably empty. Oh, that's what it is. So this guy is the little onion guy. How cute. So the first one was the little panda. So the little panda and then the little onion man. That's cool. At least I have both. And then of course it came with the ribbon. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Cannot wait to see what this one is. Well, I know what this is, but in person. All right, so are you ready? Open this. This one slides a little bit better. Okay. Oh, to reveal. This one apparently. So, this is the Rosalie coin purse in, again, the white multicolor. This one apparently is really, really hard to get. Actually, all of them are really hard to get. All of them are like sold out. Can't even order them. So this one is the Rosalie, and it came with the in white, and the sides are actually red, and it's glossy. I don't have the original Rosalie, but I know that the original Rosalie didn't have any back pocket, and then they came with a reverse monogram Rosalie. That one had a back pocket. A lot of people complain about it being like too thick on the sides, but this one doesn't have any. This one is gold. I want to say champagne, like the gold hardware. And then when you open it, it has that really nice pink interior. And it says, it's kind of hard to read, but again, 20-year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton Murakami. This one is made in Spain. It has the flower, the panda, the cherry, and the onion man. And it's just a really simple card holder. It opens up like that. Has 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments for cards. And then has one coin slots, or really anything that you need it for. I don't really carry a lot of coins, but it's really just useful for, you know, any type of, I guess, added security. So what do you guys think? I'm very excited. I didn't get any other pieces from this collection, mainly because I'm trying to like really be mindful about my buying a lot of stuff. I'm trying to downgrade actually, and I've done that. I have sold a lot of my stuff, and I need to do an updated collection soon, just to kind of like, you know, let you guys know of the, you know, what's my updated one. But anyway, just in case anyone is interested, I forgot, this is for the Rosalie. That's the code. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of like show you. These are the 2 pieces that I got from this collection, and I am so glad I finally have them. So just 2 little, you know, little SLGs. I do love my SLGs. I think I do love them more than purses because they're just really versatile. So I have the key clay in the black multicolor, and I have the Rosalie in the white multicolor. So I figured just like 1 each, that I'll be very, very happy. I'm actually very glad to just have, you know, at least 1, but I'm lucky to have 2. So anyway, I'm going to end the video here. If you guys have any questions about these 2 pieces, let me know in the comments below. I probably will be able to do a review sometime. Just don't know when that would be, but I'm hoping to do a little bit more reviews for you guys, because that's kind of like what I started with, like, you know, doing a lot more like reviews and stuff. Probably not gonna be a lot of unboxing because, like, again, I'm trying to like really minimize a lot of spending. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.